Hi everyone, it's Jaden. How are you? Welcome to my video. This is my first video that I'm shooting on my brand new Canon camera with all the proper lighting, so I'm so excited. I think it looks so much better. I have a brand new backdrop, usually in front of white, and I am going with the black. It looks really stylish to me. And cool. So today's video, it's actually just gonna be a bunch of cuts of me testing out my camera, learning how it works, just playing with my camera and learning new ways to shoot, bettering my skills on how to use my camera and my equipment. So that's very exciting. I also have a new announcement. I have decided, and I was inspired to go back into doing raw vegan again. I've done it twice throughout my life. Well, I was raised predominantly vegan since I was born till I was probably like 23. We very rarely ate animal products, if any, but we weren't, we didn't call ourselves like vegans, but I think I would eat like meat like once a year or something like that. I decided to eat everything on a regular basis, and I've experimented with tons of different kinds of diets throughout my fitness journey, being an athlete. I've done the raw vegan thing twice, and both times I did it for anywhere between 6 to 8 months. Reasons why I had to stop doing it was simply all the preparation that it takes to do it. I wasn't able to do it at the stage of my life then. But I always knew that it had a very very powerful healing ability. I don't think I can maintain it forever perfect. So that was also reasons why I stopped doing it. I had more of a black and white extreme personality back then. I still am pretty extreme as far as like my personality, but I have been working on changing it, especially after having gone through this whole health crisis that I went through. My inspiration is that I feel a calling, and I live my life just following what feels right to me. So I've just got this inspirational download from the universe that this is the right thing to do. I've totally recovered from the adrenal fatigue and anxiety stuff, pretty much 99.9%, but I've been having a tough time building up my stores. Like I feel like I'm back to myself, but not where I have like extra energy like I used to, and I just don't feel like my energy stores are back to where they used to be. So this is what I think will help me. I have very strong inspiration calling about it, so I'm gonna follow that. And so I started for 2 days already, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted on this journey and share recipes and also different inspirations on being a raw vegan. If somehow after I try this and I feel like I need to eat cooked foods more, I'm going to start doing it again. And I plan to do it again starting after a month. But if somehow it feels really good to me and my body keeps progressing in ways that I want, then there's no reason why I would stop. No attachments to anything, just what feels good to me and what inspires me going forward. Okay, let's just jump into all the test shots I'm doing.